Good day everyone. So for today's videos, let's talk about the invasive species. What comes in your mind if you heard the word invasive species? There are two categories of invasive species, plants and animals. What is invasive species for you? For me, invasive species, it is a plant, animal, or an organism that is not native to an area that spread in ways to harm the environment, economy, and human health. Invasive species is just like a disease that gradually destroy or kill you. Or it is just like your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend to deceive you. Now, I will show you the different flora species that is not native to an environment. First is Cromolina odorata or hagunoy. This is a hagunoy. Second species is African tulip or Spatodia campanulata. I will show you the African tulip. This is the leaves of African tulip. The third species that I'll show you is lantana, or this is called Mandalacina and Subanen. So this is the lantana, everyone. Also the Gemelina is one of the invasive species. So I will show you the leaves of Gemelina tree or Yemen tree. This is the leaves of Yemen tree. Did you see this plant? This plant, it is also an invasive species. This is a sensitive plants or giant mimosa. The next invasive flora species that I'll show you is Cogon grass. So that is a Cogon grass. Now I will discuss to you the positive impact of invasive species in our environment.
The positive impact of the invasive species in our environment is, first, it can help to our ecosystem through carbon sequestration, soil stabilization, provide foods, habitat, medicine, and some are ornamental use for the decoration.
And also the negative impact of our invasive species in our environment. So this is the negative impact of our invasive species in our environment. First is
It can outcompete of native species, altering soil, water, and habitat conditions, and also affect wildlife survival through releasing allylochemical as their defense mechanism for the insects and pollinators. In conclusion, the invasive species is remain a major ecological threat because this can lead to reduced plant diversities that can affect the animals and insects that rely on native plants for food and habitat.